Avon Goodman, can you hear me? You're muted, so I can't hear you.
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you. Can you guys hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. On the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Kayvon Goodman and file number 23-00791. Mr. Goodman, today's the date scheduled for an arraignment. And it's on a probation violation. The violation alleges that you failed to pay off your fines and costs within 30 days of sentencing. You still have a balance of $282. You owe $282. When are you paying that?
I can't give you an exact time and date on when I can pay it. I spoke to my probation officer Brendan Henna yesterday, and he was asking me about my financial situation, and I've still just been struggling tremendously. I know last year when I was in your courtroom and you gave me a year non-report probation because due to the fact that I was on felony probation. I'm currently getting my felony probation extended, not because I haven't been following my guidelines and stipulations, but because of a money situation. I'm behind on my fines there as well. I was supposed to get off of that probation this month on the 16th. I'm not sure how long they're gonna extend my probation for, but I know next month when I go report, she's probably tell me how long I'm gonna be extended for. I've been trying to seek and obtain employment. It's just been very hard and very challenging and struggling for me. And I'm the one to blame for that. Was I made my life this hard with my background. I've been applying to factories. I've been going to temp services. I've been applying to fast food places, and I haven't been able to find anything yet. So. I'm just being honest with you. I can't give you an exact time on when I can pay that off.
Just really not understanding the process for. Oh, okay, I see. Okay, you said your felony probation at the circuit court was being extended because you had fines and costs?
Yeah, cause I'm on probation. I'm getting supervised up here through Ingham County through the building on Kalamazoo, but my real probation is based in the city and county of Ionia. They're just
Okay,
had me supervised up here. I owe Ionia $700 something, and I want to say to my supervision fees, they just sent me something in the mail saying I owe about $600-700. So all in total with my felony probation stuff, I still owe about $1,300 to $1,400 in costs and fines.
okay. Okay, rather than to arraign you on this as a probation violation, I'm going to have the probation department proceed with discharging you from probation. I'm going to refer this balance to collections. I don't see where you've had any violations while you were on probation. Um, so it's not meaningful to me or to you to go through with a probation violation due to your indigency status. So what I'll do is I don't know if this in the file for you to be discharged. You do have a balance of $282, because it looks like you did make a payment of $100 a little over a year ago, maybe. Um, and I'll set this for a show cause hearing in 30 days, so you can give us an update on your financial status.
Okay.
October 1st.
October 1st at 9:15, and you'll make a payment plan then, okay?
Okay.
You're all set, sir.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. God bless you. Thank you. Pretty already sneezed there. Okay, on the record, in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Zachary Sisson, file number 24-02087, council appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Casey Markarian, appearing on behalf of the people.
Morning, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Sisson, do you have an attorney?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, today was the date that was set for pretrial on ORV unregistered on street. Did you meet with him already?
Yes, Your Honor, I did, if I may.
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor, I met with Mr. Sison and we discussed the incident itself. It's my understanding he has already ordered parts from Amazon to turn the mini bike in question into a up to code street legal vehicle that he plans to register. We just asked for an adjournment to allow time for that. Our intent is once we get proof of registration, we will dismiss the case. Might need a month or so for that one.
Okay, give me 30 days.
October 1st.
October 1st at 10 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
No problem. Do you have any questions today
No.
for the court? Okay, you're all set then. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
On the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Darren Strickner, file number 24-02023. Council appearance.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Case Markarian appearing on behalf of the people.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Assistant Public Defender Lauren Sutter on behalf of Mr. Strickler, who is standing to my right.
Okay, Mr. Strickner, this was a dog at large matter set for pretrial. It's been resolved, or if we need for a time frame for that to happen, how are we proceeding, council?
Thank you, Your Honor. We would be asking for a little bit of time here. I have spoken with Mr. Markarian about the efforts being made here to address the issue. We'd be looking for 2 weeks.
September 10th at 10:30.
September 10th at 10:30. Any questions for the court today, Mr. Strickner?
Yeah, thank you.
No problem. We'll get you notice to appear. Any additional matters, council?
Nothing further from the people. Thank you.
Nothing from defense. Thank you.
You're all set. The record in the matter, the people of the state of Michigan versus Anthony Sheriff, file number 19-04185, council appearance.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Case Markarian appearing on behalf of the people.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. This is Public Defender Lawrence Sutter, here today on behalf of Mr. Shearer, who is standing to my right.
Okay, now today's the date and time that was set for a hearing on a probation violation. Arraigned on that violation back on August 1st. Violation that I have. That the defendant failed to complete inpatient substance abuse program at community mental health. How are we proceeding on that violation?
Thank you, Your Honor. I've reviewed the recommendation as well as the alleged violation of Mr. Shearer. He does not intend to contest the violation at this time.
Please look into the violation.
Yes, sure,
Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give us the truth and the whole truth under penalty of perjury. Okay, you understand your right to have a contested hearing on this violation and to have proofs put forth that will establish your guilt as to the alleged violations.
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
You wish to waive your right to have that hearing today?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Anybody threaten you to do that?
No, Your Honor.
Any promises being made if you waive your hearing and plead guilty to the violations?
No, they haven't, Your Honor.
You understand that the recommendation is to terminate the status. It's already terminated anyways. You were supposed to be in inpatient treatment, I believe. Yeah, I think the sentence was 120 days in county jail, but you could be released to inpatient treatment. The balance would be held in abeyance. You understand that the recommendation is just straight jail time now, correct?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
As to the violation that you failed to complete inpatient treatment as directed by the court at the community mental health, how do you plead?
Guilty, Your Honor.
On a factual basis, please.
Mr. Shearer, is it true that on September 19th of 2023, you appeared in front of this court for probation violation hearing?
Yes, I did.
And at that time, did Judge Simmons order you to complete an inpatient treatment program?
Yes, she did.
And on October 17th, did you leave the treatment program at House of Commons?
Yes, I did.
And that was in violation of the order from this judge.
Yes, it was.
Thank you, Your Honor. I believe that satisfies the factual basis.
Any questions from the prosecution?
No, Your Honor, the people are satisfied with the factual basis.
Well, the court is also satisfied with the factual basis. I'll accept your plea and find it to be free, voluntarily and intelligently made. Again, as indicated before, when you were before me last time, back about a year ago almost, I sentenced you to 120 days in county jail, and that's after numerous attempts of trying to bring you into compliance with with some violations from your probation status. So you were supposed to serve 120 days in your county jail. I did allow for you to be released to inpatient treatment. And then I would hold the balance of time in abeyance after 1 day. I was notified that you went AWOL, since you want to address the court before a sentencing.
Thank you, Your Honor. That is a fair and accurate recitation of the offense here. He did appear in front of yourself on September 19th of last year and was ordered to complete the term of probation or the term of treatment program at House of Commons. And he does admit that he continues struggling greatly and made the poor decision to leave treatment after a day there. Since then, he has continued trying himself to deal with issues and admits he needs much further support that he's able to provide himself. given that he is seeking assistance in the Union County Jail, both through my office as well as the support and resource programs there. At the hearing on September 19th, you did order 120 days in jail here to be held after a completion of that treatment program. At this time, Your Honor, I would ask the court to, like, as you've noted, it's already terminated probation, but to just order the remaining balance of that 120 days. To serve that out and take advantage of any treatment programs and assistance and resources you can take advantage of in the Union County Jail.
That is the order of the court. You'll complete the balance originally ordered, which is the 120 days. You will not be eligible to be released into any inpatient. I think we tried that a couple of times. And you're not eligible to be released on GPS tether. So whatever programming the Union County Jail can provide you from the inside, hopefully you'll take great benefit of that. I know I've expressed this to you before, maybe at this point, 2-3 years ago, about my concern about you heading in a path that you were going to kill yourself with alcohol. And I recognize that you're very sick and that you're not able to make the decisions that you need to make to keep yourself from alcohol. So we're left with no other choice. Okay, sir? I'd like to have you housed at the Ingham County Jail. Do you have any questions today? Good luck to you. Hopefully you'll get better.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Any additional matters for the record, counsel?
Nothing further from the people. Thank you.
Nothing from the defense. Thank you.
You're all set, sir.